So welcome once again to Real Thumbs Up Tech YouTube channel with more knowledge. Alright, today we are going to discuss about how you can make money online through currency arbitrage. Okay, I've actually promised us this video for long and I've decided to release the video because I've actually been busy all this while. Alright, so if you are new to my YouTube channel, this is Real Thumbs Up Tech YouTube channel, and here we talk about how you can make money online through dollar arbitrage. Here we release latest updates on dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, and other legit ways of making money online. Here we release videos that we've tested and we've tried and we've noticed that it is working and 100% legit. Okay, so if you are still new here or if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe by tapping on the red subscribe button below and also pressing on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post any new videos. All right, and as well, if you are here to see my other videos, kindly go through my other videos so that you'll be enlightened more and you will learn more on how you can make money online through dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, and other legit ways. Okay, now without wasting much of our time, now this is the platform I'm talking about. The name of the platform is Selar. Don't worry about the link. Once you go down in the video description below, you will see a link that will bring you to this platform. Then you start your registration, but before then, ensure that you watch this video to the end so that you will not make mistake during any of the processes. Okay, because as we all know, as many of us know, this platform serves breakfast easily. So to avoid their breakfast, kindly ensure that you watch this video to the end because I will tell you how to overcome their breakfast. Okay, all right, so let's read what they say about this platform. Here you can make more sales. It is the best way to sell your digital products online. So what they do is just like an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your products online. You can sell and receive payment from your customers online all over the world. Okay, now you can see that Selar is your all-in-one e-commerce store builder to sell any kind of digital product or service to anyone, anywhere in the world. So that's what they do. You can receive your payment from anywhere in the whole world with this particular platform. All right, so if you go down, you can see that you can see different countries here. You can also see that you can sell anything and everything with Selar. If you also go down, you will see that you can sell any kind of product, service, or subscription with this platform. You can see the different items you can sell on this platform. You can sell digital products, ebooks, courses and membership, event tickets and training, services, physical goods, and so on and so forth. But that's not why we are here. We are here to make money with the platform in a legit way, because this is actually a legit way. And all the videos I make on my YouTube channel, they are all legit ways of making money online. Okay, all right guys, the truth is many people have actually been benefiting from this platform. Many people have been benefiting from this platform. Now the question is, how then do they benefit from this platform? All right, so having known that this is an e-commerce platform that enables you to sell your products online and also receive your payments online, there are many ways you can earn on this platform, but the main thing is the arbitrage format, the arbitrage method. And how do we use the arbitrage method? All right guys, so this Selar arbitrage actually involves two currencies. Either you have a Ghanaian bank account or Momo account and also a Nigerian account details, or you have a Kenyan account details or a Nigerian account details, or you have a US account details. It must be between two countries, two or more countries. It all depends on how you want to do it. Even if you don't have somebody over there, maybe in Ghana or in Uganda or in Kenya or US, that will help you do these transactions, don't worry, I will tell you how to get someone that will help you with these transactions. Just ensure that you watch this video to the end so that you will know exactly how you can get someone that will help you perform these transactions so you can start earning your money immediately. All right, so I don't really want to waste much time here. Now let us try to open one of the currencies or one of the countries' accounts if we go to this place, or you can as well start from here to open the account. You now come here and go to start selling. Actually, this particular update has been paying people, sincerely speaking. People have actually been benefiting from it. You can see that over 300,000 plus users are actually using this particular platform. Then here you can create your seller account. So you enter your username here. You enter any username that you like. Here you enter your email address. You enter your email address here. So here you enter your full name. You enter your full name. Here you enter your password. You enter your password. So when you are done entering your details, because this platform involves e-commerce, what it does is it allows you to sell products to your customers, and your customers can pay you online through your payment link. You understand? So we are now assuming that you are in Ghana, for example, maybe you are in Kenya, and you now want to receive payments from a Nigerian. You know, when a Nigerian now wants to send you money, that's when you will know the exchange rate. That's when you will know everything, whether the platform is very good for arbitrage or not. So we're just trying to assume you are in another country. For example, let me just assume you are in Ghana or Kenya, for example, because those are still African countries that we all know, though you can still use other countries anyway. So when you are done entering these details, don't forget that the link to this platform is in the video description below. Once you go down there, you will see the link to this seller platform. You now start your registration. So you now go to this create account here. You tap on the create account. It says that this username has already been taken. I should provide another username. So let me just put one there. All right, so create account. I'm just using a random details here. All right, so it has created an account. Now you can see that. Please make sure that you follow me patiently. Please do not skip any part of this video if really you want to make money using this platform. All right, so the next thing is you have to set up your bank account, because as a seller, as someone that wants to sell products online, you as well receive payments through your bank account. Okay, so you have to set up your bank account so that once your customer pays in money, the money enters into your seller wallet. Then you can now withdraw that money from your seller wallet to your bank account. You now have to set up your bank account so that you can be able to withdraw your money from seller wallet once the money enters. So, but if you don't wish to enter your bank details yet, you can go straight and add a product. But we want to enter bank details first. So let's go to set up bank details. You now go to this place, set up bank details. Please make sure that you listen to me attentively to avoid making mistake, please. I wouldn't like to hear breakfast from anyone, please. All right, so when you tap on this set up bank details, you can see that my country is showing here Nigeria, because I am in Nigeria. So this is one of the reasons why people receive breakfast easily, because this platform actually deals with location. So it dictates your country easily. Now, if you are in Nigeria and you have, because there are many of us in Nigeria that have Momo accounts, for Ghana, or maybe have accounts in Uganda or something like that, you understand? So, but if you are in Nigeria and you're using this platform to open an account with another currency, they will actually block it after some time, because they will dictate your location and block the account. Okay, so I will tell you what to do. Don't worry, I will tell you what to do to avoid the breakfast. Just make sure that you watch this video to the end. So let's assume that you now want to open an account for another currency like Ghana or Kenya. Let me use Ghana for example. You now come here that says Nigeria. You now select. You can see the different countries here. You can see United Kingdom. You can see US and the rest of the world. You can see that almost all the countries are here. The ones that are not listed, you can go down and select rest of the world. Okay, so you now come down. Let me use Ghana for example, or should I use Kenya? No, let me use Ghana for example now. Then you now go to bank. you select the bank they use. If it is Momo or maybe normal bank, you select the bank they use there. So let me select the MTN mobile money. You now come here and enter the MTN mobile's account number, but let me just enter a random account number because this is just for this video's sake. Now you go to this continue, you tap on continue. They said, are you sure your account details are correct? Because correcting it is actually not that easy. So are you sure your account details are these? MTN mobile now said okay if you are sure. So we've added the account details. Please, the video I'm doing right now, I'm not actually using the same phone I used to open my other account because of this breakfast. So please, this platform is so sensitive that it observes and monitors almost everything around you. Please, and it takes note of all the information you entered in the platform. Please just be careful whenever you are using this particular platform. It is a very legit platform that allows you to sell your product online, but you have to be very careful with it. Please do not be so careless as to forget any details you entered in this particular platform. All right, so here the next thing is to add your product. What do you sell? Please ensure that you enter a correct product. Go online and download details. You can see PDF files of different products, reasonable products, please. So let me just come here, add products. Okay, so you now come here and select the add product. So the next one is you select the product that you sell. There are different products here. So let me go for digital products. Don't worry, I will explain all these things to you later on, what I'm doing and why I am doing it this way. You now select digital products. You go to next. Don't forget that the account we are opening right now is Ghanaian bank account. All right, so you now come here. All right, so if you come down here, you will see that you should drag and drop your product image or your product images, or you browse for the images. All right, so if you have any product images, you drop it here. So let me look for a reasonable product image. So let me go over to my gallery and download one of the products there. They said product image. So let me use this. Let me use this as the product image. Let me use this. All right. Please make sure that you use reasonable images, please, that correspond to the product you want to assume you sell. Okay. Now here says name of products. What I actually uploaded is making money for beginners. You can use anything. Making money for beginners. Then sell price. You can see that the price is in Ghanaian cedis. You can see that the price is in cedis because I chose cedis. Then I chose Ghana as my bank details. Now let me enter, for example, that I sell it for 100 Ghanaian cedis, or you can use, okay, let me just use 200, or you can use 500 as the case may be. No, let me use 300 for example. All right, so if you have time, you can read all those information. I don't really have time for that. You now come down here. Here you have to write a description of what you sell. Please write a detailed description of what you sell, because here is what to prove that you sell legit products. Please. Now I sell a digital product on how to make money online. Is an ebook, and I come here and write this is a book, because that book is actually for beginners. This is a book that will enlighten beginners on how to make money online through freelancing, dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, and other legit ways of making money online. If you are really interested in making money online, or offline, because the book actually covers both offline and online process of making money, offline or online, ensure you buy this book for yourself and for your loved ones. So that's a detailed description of the book. You understand? You can see how long the information is. Now you come down. When you are done with that, you come down. When you come down, you go to these categories. When you go there, you select your category based on what you sell. So it depends on what you sell. If you sell love and relationship products, you go to love and relationships. But I sell products on wealth and finance. Now I've selected wealth and finance. You now come down to subcategories. I select personal finance. You can select anyone you like. It's all based on your own business category. Personal finance. I now come down. This product has multiple variants. Please leave this particular place, or you can select it if you want. I don't really want to go there. You now come here that says product type and select digital products. But if you sell other products like course, service, or other things, you can select them. But for me, I sell digital products. You now come down. You can see if this is a pre-ordered product, you select, just leave that place. But if you still like, you can still select it. All right, so you come over to this place. You can see that here is where you can give the buyers the access to the products. Do you want them to download the file? If you want them to download the file, once they buy it, you select this downloadable file, and you can upload a maximum of 750 megabytes of file. Okay, if you want them to read it online without downloading it, you select read only. That's PDF file. They will just read it online without downloading it. They will not have access to download it on their mobile phones or their computer. And the maximum you can download is 10 megabytes if you want a read only file. Now let me upload my file. Let me allow them access to download it because they have paid for it. So I'll allow them to download the file. I'll now come down here and select drag and drop your product files, or you browse. So let me browse. I browse. It is actually a document, so I browse for it. Done. And I upload it there. It has not entered. Let me go back and do it again. I upload it there. Okay, it has entered, so you can see it here. It has entered. And make sure that this file that you uploaded, it is actually a PDF file that explains the image I uploaded earlier. Please make sure that everything corresponds, please. All right, so you now come here. If you want to direct them to another page or maybe another website, you can select this option here, but I don't want that. So the next thing is you go to create products. Okay, now we are done with this. We are done with creating this Ghanaian account. You know what we actually did is we assume that we are selling this thing and we are receiving the amount in Ghanaian cedis. We assume that we are in Ghana and we are now receiving the payment in Ghanaian cedis and not in naira. So now we have our product link here. This is our product link. You copy this product link now, because this is what you have to send to your customers so they can send money to you. We are done with setting up our products and the description and every other thing. If there are still some things you want to correct here, you can do your corrections. Here you can see that success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at, you can see the address here, the same address there. So once you tap on it, you can be able to see your product set for you. You can see your product for you here. This is my product here, and you can see our description, and you can see the price. Don't forget that the price we set there was 300 Ghanaian cedis. Now this is the price the Nigerian person will pay us if a Nigerian guy wants to buy this product right now. This is the amount the person will pay. How do we now know whether there is an opportunity for arbitrage here? But before we proceed, ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel by tapping on the red subscribe button below, and also pressing the bell icon so that you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube whenever I post any new videos on this YouTube channel. And ensure that you set the bell icon to all so that you will not miss any new updates I post on this YouTube channel. Okay? Join my Telegram group so that you meet people that will motivate you on how to make money online. There you can ask your questions and receive responses from people all over the world. Okay? Let's head over to our calculator immediately. We head over to our calculator. So we head over to our calculator, open the calculator. Then we enter this amount, 11,582.26. 11,582.26 divided by 300 Ghanaian cedis. You remember where we got these 300 Ghanaian cedis? Because the product is being sold at the rate of 300 Ghanaian cedis. And if you are now buying it at that rate, you are now sending this equivalent of 11,582 naira 26 kobo to this person in Ghana. Okay, that means the rate is 38 naira 6 kobo. 38 naira 6 kobo. Imagine that. All right, so let's assume that you've sent the money there. That is the 11,000. Where is it again? 11,582.26 naira. Let's assume that you've sent the money there, and the person will now receive 300 Ghanaian cedis, right? Based on their rates here. The person will now receive 300 Ghanaian cedis. Alright, so once these 300 Ghanaian cedis enters the Ghanaian account, you now withdraw it into your bank account, or maybe your MTN mobile account, or maybe your Airtel mobile account, based on the account details you entered there. The person will now go to Binance, use the money to buy USDT and send to you. If you come to Binance here, when you go to this place that says NGN and you select Ghanaian cedis, you select Ghanaian cedis, you can see their rates there, 10.08, 10.08. There's nothing to filter here. All right, so let me tap on this first person here and enter 300. Okay, let me assume that maybe they will remove some charges, so let me just enter like 250 Ghanaian cedis. 250. So 250, the person will be receiving 24.80 USDT. 24.80 USDT. If you now go to your NGN wallet, if you now go to your NGN P2P, and you want to sell, you can place order if you have up to 100. If you now want to sell the 24.80, right? 24.80. When you come over to this amount, when you come over to the amount, let me assume that we are buying between the range of 10,000 naira. So you now go to sell. Let's go to the sell option. Let's go to the option. Now go to that sell and select. Let me select this guy here. When you select this guy here, you put in that you go to buy crypto here. because we already have 24.80. That means we are getting 17,316 naira 10 kobo. So let's head over to our calculator to know our profits. We now come over to our calculator. This 11,582 naira 26 kobo, which was the amount we sent to the person, minus the amount we are receiving right now, which is 17,316 naira 10 kobo. So we've actually made 5,733 naira from just 11,000 naira. How much more when we do this again and again and again? How much more when we use like 100,000 naira? How much more when we repeat this many times in a day? So this is how much you can earn on this platform every day using this currency arbitrage method. It all depends on the currency you use. You can use US, you can use Kenya, you can use Uganda. Just make sure that you find somebody that is trustworthy and that can help you with these transactions. Okay, let me tell you how you can do it to avoid breakfast. Number one, this account we open right now is Ghanaian bank account. You can also use Kenyan bank account. You can also use Uganda. You can also use US, UK, and other account details. The thing is, even if you are in Nigeria and you have Ghana account details, please do not use it on this platform. Find someone in Ghana or someone in Kenya or someone in US based on the currency you want to use. Find someone over there. Once you find someone over there, you have to send the person this video, share this video to the person so that the person will see how to set up the account. Okay, the person has to set up the account over there, not in Nigeria, not in the country that does not have the currency. Okay, so if you are in any part of the world and you want to open an account for another currency, do not open it in your country. Find someone over there in that country that uses that currency. Tell the person to open seller account there so that you can now transact with the person. Okay, that is one of the ways you can bypass breakfast, though that's not all, but that's one of the ways you can bypass breakfast. I'll also explain the other ways you can bypass this breakfast, but ensure that you watch this video to the end so that you can understand everything there. So let's assume that you share this video to the person and the person has opened an account on this seller platform using any details, because you can as well use any name. There is no special verification. All right, so once the person is done, don't forget that this is a legit platform that enables you to sell your product online. So everything here is legit. Okay, so you now in Nigeria or in other parts of the world, what you have to do right now is you have to open an account in your own country, an account using your own currency. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria right now, you have to now go over to register, start the processes from the beginning, then use Nigerian account number. So you now open a Nigerian account details here. The person will now open the Ghanaian account details, or maybe the Kenya account details, or maybe the US account details, depending on the country you want to transact with. So once the person opens it, you yourself in another part of the world, let me say Nigeria, you now open an account with Nigerian account details. Instead of selecting Ghana as your country here and using MTN mobile or using okay, let me do it here so that you understand what I'm saying. So you in Nigeria, what you have to do now is you go to this start selling, create your own account. Mike12, you enter your email, you enter your full name, enter your password. Now come here and create account. They say this name has already been taken. Wow, guys are actually using this every day. So they are using different names. All right, so you now go over to this place that says set up bank account details. You can see Nigeria here. That's because it is actually dictating your country. You can see Nigeria here because you are in Nigeria. So once you now tap on it, okay, just leave it in that Nigeria, because the person over there will open an account of that currency. You now open a Nigerian account details. You now come here and select your bank. You come here and select your bank. So let me assume you are using a First Bank. Let me check if they have PalmPay here. Okay, they have PalmPay. No, let me not use PalmPay. Let me use First Bank, for example. They have actually all the banks. You now type in your account number here. Once you type in your account number and you select verify account details, your name will automatically appear here. If your details are correct, your name will appear here. So far you enter the correct account number, your account name will appear below here. So that is it. Now what is the next thing? After the person must have opened the account over there, you saw me when I copied a link. You saw when we copied a link. The person will now copy that link and send to you. If you don't remember when I copied a link, just go back and watch this video again. You will see where I copied a link. After I added the product, that was the PDF file, they brought out a link for me and I copied that link. So you now tell the person to copy that link and send the link to you. You understand? So once the person sends the link to you, you will now open your browser, paste the link on your browser, paste it there. So this was the link I copied then. When you go down, you will see the price there. You will see the price there. So the next thing for you to do now, you that is in Nigeria, the next thing for you to do now is you now go to this buy now. Go to the buy now. So once you tap on this buy now, it will bring you to this environment and ask you, if you look at this option, you will see how many do you want to buy. So you can select as many as possible that you want to buy. You can see that as you are selecting the quantity, the price is as well changing. So it depends on how many you want to buy. So let me assume I want to buy one, and now go to this option here to check out. Once I select it, you will see an option. You will see your name here if you are using your account. You will see your email. Then you select pay now. You can as well pay through bank transfer. Have you seen how this platform is actually very good for arbitrage? Because you can pay through either bank transfer, with your card, or any other means. If you are using your card here, they are debiting you in naira, not in dollars. So you can use your card as many times as possible because there is no limit to it. They are debiting you in naira and not in dollars. Okay, so you now go over here and use a pay now. So when you tap on that pay now, you can see that you can pay through your card and you are paying in naira and not in dollars. You can use any card you like, any card, be it Verve card, be it Visa, be it Master, any card whatsoever is accepted, because this platform is a legit platform that enables you to buy products online and also to sell your products online. So that's what they do on this platform. It is 100% legit. All right. So if you don't want to use your card, you can tap on this change payment method. Once you tap on it, it will bring up different ways you can use to pay on this platform. You can pay using your card, or using your USSD, or through your bank, that is your internet banking, or you can use bank transfer. So once you tap, okay, let me select bank transfer for example, so that you understand what I'm saying. If you want to use bank transfer, they will bring out bank account details that you will pay into. You can see that. So this platform is 100% legit. There's nothing like losing your money on this platform. So once you send your money to these bank details here, they will forward the money immediately to the person based on the country you are sending it to. You understand? So they will forward the money straight to the person's bank account. All right. Okay, so that is how you can do this seller arbitrage. Number one, have someone that you want to transact with, depending on the currency you want to use. If you want to use Kenyan shillings, have someone in Kenya. Tell that person in Kenya to open a seller account over there in Kenya. If you want to use Ghanaian cedis, tell someone in Ghana to open a Ghanaian seller account. If you want to transact with someone in US, tell someone in US to open an account over there. If you want someone in UK, the same thing, as well as Uganda and any other countries in the world. You can do that here and still succeed. Okay, then once the person now opens the account, you yourself in Nigeria or in other parts of the world, you will now open a seller account in your own currency. You understand? In your own country currency. Once the person opens the account in his or her currency, the person will now send you the payment link. Then with the payment link, you can now send money to that person. You understand? You can send money to that person. Once you send money to that person, the person can now easily withdraw the money into his or her own bank account and now use the money to buy USDT for you on Binance and send the USDT to you. After, he must have removed all the charges involved in the transaction. So once the person now sends you the money, you now subtract and know your profit. Okay, and you can do this as many times as possible. All right, but note, this platform actually takes up to some hours. Withdrawals take up to 24 hours sometimes, unless you have enough money. Maybe once you send the person the first money, you now send another one, or you can just increase the quantity that you want to buy and send to the person. But I suggest that if you want to do this, start with smaller amounts so that you test this out first before you use a bigger amount of money, in case there is any problem on the site. In case there is any problem on the site, or maybe they dictate one or two things. So make sure that you start with smaller amount of money first before you now start using bigger amounts of money. Okay, so now, like I said before, to avoid breakfast, number one, someone has to be there and you have to open an account here. Number two, make sure that if the person opens an account like today, don't send the money today. Allow the account to be maybe a day or 2 days before you start sending money. You understand? Before you start sending money. And you can open as many accounts as possible because the platform is legit and allows you to open many accounts if you wish. You understand? All right, so like I said before, to avoid breakfast, the person has to be over there to open the account, and you have to be here to open your own currency account. That is number one. Number two, if the person opens the account like today, leave the account for like 24 hours or for like 48 hours before you start sending money to the person. Number three, make sure that you use correct details of the PDF file you uploaded. First of all, send smaller amount of money in case there is a problem or slight changes on the platform. So ensure that you first of all send smaller amount of money. Then if the transaction goes well, you can now send a bigger amount of money to avoid any problems. Please, I wouldn't like anyone to put any blames on me. Do not overdo. I'm just trying to tell you what to do to avoid breakfast. You understand? Do not keep sending money with one name. You understand? You can as well open several accounts because this platform allows you to open several accounts. You understand? Though it must not be in your name, you can use another name for that. All right, so I promised you I will show you how you can get people that will help you with these transactions in case you don't have anyone. So what you have to do now is go to Binance P2P. Now go to the currency area here that says NGN. Once you select it, you now look for the currency based on the person you want to transact with. If you want to transact with a Kenyan, you look for their currency, that is KES. If you want to use Ghanaian cedis, you look for Ghanaian cedis. If you want to transact with anyone in the US, look for a USD currency. So it all depends on the person you want to meet online. So let's assume you want to go for a Kenyan, for example. You now come over here and type KES, which is their currency. Once you type KES and it opens here, if it opens here, so these are the people that are selling under Kenyan shillings. So what you have to do now is you can select any of them. You can select any of them. Just assume you want to buy, type anything here, and go to buy with 0 fee. I don't really want to go there, so it doesn't reduce my score here. So once you tap on this 0 fee, once it opens on that chat environment, you start sending the messages, start telling them what you want to do, and see if they can help you out. You collect their WhatsApp contact. You can now start discussing with the person. If the person is good to go, you can start doing it with the person. Then we still have other people here that you can, if the person doesn't work, we still have many other people here that can also help you out. Yes, it is true that there are scammers online, but there are still genuine people. Yes, there are still genuine people. Okay, so if you don't have the mind to try this, then look for people that you know over there based on your country. You can use Ghana, you can use Dubai, you can use any currency you like. So far you have someone over there. You can come over to Binance and look for people there that will help you out. Okay, so this will be the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I see I have many other updates to release on this YouTube channel. Ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel by tapping on the red subscribe button below, and also pressing the bell icon so that you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube whenever I post any new videos on this YouTube channel. And ensure that you set the bell icon to all so that you will not miss any new updates I post on this YouTube channel. Okay, join my Telegram group so that you meet people that will motivate you on how to make money online. There you can ask your questions and receive responses from people all over the world. Okay, drop your questions in the comment section below, like this video and share this video. Okay, have a nice day for now. Bye.